something is moving through the darkest place on Earth. 7 miles straight down, in pressure so extreme it would flatten a human instantly. In darkness so complete you can't see your own hand. And yet, something lives there. It glides through the abyss like a ghost, moving with grace, with purpose, with intelligence. This is the story of Earth's most impossible survivor. To understand this creature, we need to understand where it lives. The Mariana Trench, located in the western Pacific Ocean. It's so deep that Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth, would fit inside with a mile of water still above its peak. If you stood at sea level and wanted to reach the bottom, you'd travel deeper than any human has ever gone, deeper than the highest airplane can fly. The pressure down there, over 1,000 times stronger than what you feel right now. Your body would collapse like an aluminum can. The temperature, just above freezing. The darkness, complete, total, absolute. And the food, virtually non-existent. Everything here comes from corpses falling from above. This is the Midnight Zone, and it's the most hostile place on Earth. Yet life thrives here. Meet the dumbo octopus, named after Disney's elephant because of its ear-like fins. It's one of the deepest living creatures ever found. An octopus with 9 brains, 1 central brain and 1 mini brain in each of its 8 arms. Each arm can think independently. But the dumbo octopus lives in an environment so extreme that its entire existence is a contradiction. It's gelatinous, soft, delicate. Made mostly of water, the same water that surrounds it. In crushing pressure, this makes no sense. By every calculation, it should be destroyed. Yet it isn't. Why? Because its body is perfectly adapted to that pressure. The pressure that would flatten us keeps the dumbo octopus stable. It's like it was born for nowhere else. It has no skeleton, no hard parts, no structure we would recognize as necessary. And yet, it moves with purpose. It hunts. It survives. But how does it actually survive? First, it slows down everything. The dumbo octopus doesn't move fast. It floats like it has nowhere to be. Its heart rate is minimal. Its metabolism is so low, it can go weeks on a single meal. Second, its physiology is specialized in impossible ways. Its cells handle pressure differently. They don't collapse, they don't rupture, they adapt. Scientists still don't fully understand how. Third, it hunts on the ocean floor. Its arms are incredibly sensitive. In a world where sight is useless, touch becomes everything. And the most beautiful thing? It doesn't fight, it doesn't struggle. It simply exists. It moves slowly, It eats occasionally. It survives. In a world built on survival of the fittest, the dumbo octopus survives by being gentle. The dumbo octopus doesn't just survive in the deep ocean, it thrives there. This tells us life is far more creative, far more resilient than we ever give it credit for. Every time we think we've figured out life's limits, nature shows us we were wrong. If life can adapt to the deepest, darkest, most hostile place on our planet, what else is life adapting to that we don't know about? What other creatures are down there, in places we've never been, doing things we've never imagined? The ocean covers 71% of our planet. We've explored maybe 5% of it. Imagine the mysteries waiting in the other 95%.